Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning about Singleton Design Pattern. Then we will write code in Java to understand how it works. So Singleton Design Pattern is one of the most easiest and simplest design pattern to understand, right? Okay. So to understand what is Singleton Design Pattern, let's consider one example. Let's say we have a one factory. Let's say it is an Apple factory, right? In the factory of Apple, we create multiple type of products. Let's say multiple type of iPhones, multiple type of MacBooks, your iPads, and many more. But the factory is one. Only one instance exists. So exactly, let's say in our case, we have created a factory, a report factory, and the report factory creates multiple type of reports for us. So, like simulating the same way, why to create multiple objects of a factory? At a time, we should only create one instance of that factory. Another use case to understand what is singleton design pattern. Let's say we have one resource in our project and there are multiple services who are accessing that resource. But at a time, we want only one service to access that resource. So to solve such kind of problems, we use singleton design pattern. So let's just not waste time and directly write the code for singleton design pattern and see how easy it is and how simple it is to create singleton design pattern and leverage it into our code. Now let's write code for singleton pattern. So far we have covered what is design patterns, what is factory pattern, what is abstract factory pattern, and in the next video we will be covering builder patterns. All this code is available on the GitHub. Link is in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So if you are learning from my videos, please consider like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So now let's just create one class and write code for singleton pattern. We will say main class Java, add it to GitHub, public static void main. Let's say now we create one class just for resource. Let's say database, add it to GitHub. In this first, I will create one method, public void print, just do something as out. We are in database, right? So now if I want to use this database, I can create the object of this class db equals to new database and db dot print. That's it. We can run this class and we are in database. But now if I want to only one object of this class at a time, what I will do is I will remove the default. Like as of now we don't have any constructor, which means we have default constructor. I will make my default constructor as private. So now I cannot create the object of this class because we don't have any default constructor. So this is giving error. So now how to use this class, because we still want to use this class. Now we want to leverage its functionalities. We will create one public static method which will return the database object to us, and it will call get instance method, and this will return new database. So that is how we can only create one object of this class at a time. Just these two simple things. Just create a private constructor without any default constructor and this public static method, because using static we can control that this belongs to a static keyword belongs to class. So this is how we can create only one object of and class at a time. So all we need to do is just really say database dot get instance, because all the static methods can be directly called using the class get instance. Now still we can use the print method and we cannot create more than one object at a time. See, so this is how we use singleton design pattern in our code. It is very simple and easy to understand. So I hope you like it and I hope you understand what is singleton design pattern, and thank you. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.